Welcome to a journey of wisdom and understanding. Today we delve into the depths of Proverbs, a significant book in the Bible known for its wise sayings and teachings. This book was primarily written by King Solomon, the son of David, who is renowned for his wisdom in the ancient world. Proverbs is a guide, a manual for living, and a map to the good life. Our focus today is on the 6th chapter of Proverbs and the wisdom it imparts. The opening verses of Proverbs chapter 6 verses 1 through 5 warn against becoming surety for someone else's debt. It advises against making impulsive decisions that could potentially lead to financial ruin. The wisdom here is clear. Be cautious, think before you act, and understand the implications of your decisions. Verses 6 through 11 then use the ant as an example of diligence and preparation. The ant, though small, is industrious, working tirelessly to gather food during the harvest for the winter months. The lesson here is to be diligent, prepare for the future, and avoid procrastination. The next verses, 12 through 15, describe a wicked person. This person is deceitful, sowing discord and causing trouble. The Bible warns that such a person will face sudden destruction. The teaching here is to avoid deceit, live truthfully, and promote peace. Verses 16 through 19 list 7 things that the Lord detests: haughty eyes, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that devises wicked schemes, feet that are quick to rush into evil, a false witness who pours out lies, and a person who stirs up conflict in the community. These verses highlight the importance of humility, honesty, respect for life, integrity, peacefulness, truthfulness, and harmony. The remaining verses, 20 through 35, talk about the consequences of adultery, warning against the allure of an adulterous woman and the destructive outcomes it can lead to. The lesson here is to respect the sanctity of marriage, remain faithful, and avoid temptation. In summary, Proverbs chapter 6 offers a wealth of wisdom. It warns against financial imprudence, encourages diligence and preparation, and condemns deceit. It highlights the importance of humility, honesty, respect for life, integrity, peacefulness, truthfulness, and harmony. It also warns against adultery and the destructive consequences it can bring. So, let the wisdom of Proverbs chapter 6 guide you. Be cautious with your decisions, diligent in your work, truthful in your words, and faithful in your relationships. Avoid what the Lord detests and strive for what he values. Remember, wisdom is not just about knowing what is right, but also doing what is right. So take these teachings to heart, apply them in your life, and experience the richness of living wisely. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Proverbs chapter 6. Until next time, keep seeking wisdom and let it guide your steps.